It's me again. Few weeks ago, Joshua unboxed the Realme GT2 Pro. Today, I'm here to unbox the latest device from the company, which is the Realme 9.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro.
First thing first, let us check out what's in the box. There is a Realme 9, charger, USB Type-C cable, phone case, SIM card 2, quick guide, and an important info booklet with a warranty card. This device comes in meteor black, sunburst gold, and this stargaze white color for you to choose from. According to the company, the back cover will change color when the sunlight shines on it. Cool, right? Sound like a chameleon. As for the test spec, this device features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate, 360Hz touch sampling rate, and is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone also supports a Snapdragon 680 chipset, up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Well, you can also slot in a micro SD card of up to 256GB if you think the internal storage is not enough for you. Oh yeah, the dynamic RAM feature can change up to 5GB of internal storage into virtual RAM for smoother multitasking. Besides that, it supports a 16MP selfie snapper and an AI triple rear camera of 108MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP macro lens. Speaking of the cameras, the Realme 9 is the first smartphone in the field that comes with an HM6 sensor, which allows the camera up to 9 times focusing precision. It also has the nanopixel plus technology for better photo quality in a night shot. Furthermore, it is powered by 5000 mAh battery that supports 33-watt dart charge. It can be fully charged in just 75 minutes and get 50% battery in 31 minutes. Other features include 4G connectivity, 3-card slot, and an in-display fingerprint scanner and more from the Realme UI 3.0 based on Android 12. As for the phone pricing, it hasn't been announced when we recorded this video, but I will add the price tag in the description below later. So, what do you think about this device? Are you going to get it? Don't forget to let us know in the comments below. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah. Goodbye!